Welcome back to the Car Blitz. Today, we've got something truly special lined up for you. The name SS isn't thrown around lightly in the world of Chevy performance, and now, it's making a powerful comeback in a bold new form, the 2025 Chevy Silverado SS. This is Chevy's new high-performance pickup truck, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes it stand out. Let's kick things off with the design. At first glance, you can tell this isn't just your average Silverado. The 2025 SS model brings aggressive styling cues that set it apart from the rest of the lineup. Up front, you've got a blacked-out grille, a sculpted performance hood with functional heat extractors, and a sharper LED lighting signature that looks like it means business, because it does. Along the sides, the truck sits lower and wider thanks to its sport-tuned suspension and unique 22-inch aluminum wheels, wrapped in performance rubber. Chevy's added more aerodynamic elements as well, helping reduce drag while giving it a planted, muscular look. And those SS badges, they're not just decoration. They're a throwback to Chevy's street performance legacy. Inside the Silverado SS, Chevy blends comfort with sportiness in all the right ways. The cabin is refined but aggressive, featuring SS-branded performance seats with red contrast stitching and bolstered side support. You'll find aluminum pedals, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and high-gloss black and carbon-style trim pieces throughout the interior. Front and center is a massive 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, running the latest Chevrolet infotainment software. It's quick, intuitive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Google apps like Maps and Assistant. Just behind the wheel, you get a 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster, giving you performance data, drive modes, and all your vital stats. Under the hood, Silverado SS is powered by a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8, the same engine found in the Camaro SS and high-trim Tahoe RST. This monster produces 460 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque, and when you hit the gas, it lets you know it. Chevy estimates a 0 to 60 time of just under 5 seconds, which, for a full-size pickup, is wild. This thing isn't just quick for a truck, it's quick, period. It's paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, sending power to the rear wheels by default, but you can opt for all-wheel drive for better grip and year-round versatility. So what do you think of the 2025 Silverado SS? Would you take this over a Raptor or TRX? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, test drives, and automotive content just like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.